Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to pair your device on your mobile app. So at first, just open the Play Store and search for MetaQuest. And as you search it, just download it. And after you download it, open your MetaQuest app. And just log in or sign up the new account. But as you can see, I have already logged in and signed in. All I have to do is just look at the top where you can see this option, pair your headset, and just click on there. And just select any of the device you have. I have MetaQuest 3, so I'm selecting this. So do as it says from here and just pair your device to your phone app. So guys, that's how you pair your MetaQuest 3 on your phone app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.